A lot of producers spend too much time in their home studios, and even though I'm surrounded with guitar pedals and instruments and all the things, I think it could be actually hindering my creativity and possibly even yours. So today, I'm getting out. Okay, so first of all, this did not go as planned. I had this really cool idea that I was going to execute up on the mountain, and I don't want to give too much away in case I decide to do it in the future. I really do want to do it in the future, but basically, I left a very important piece of equipment that just derailed the whole thing, and I'm kind of on a crunch, so I don't have the time to do it anymore. But despite all that, the heart of this video is about more than just getting out of the studio for the purpose of valuing limitation in the music making process. Yes, if I walk out of the studio with just a single piece of gear, there's just some creative unlock that comes with that when I'm being forced to, use my brain more than I'm using the tools around me. But more than that, what I really want to emphasize is the idea of getting out of the, dark black hole that is often our home studios. I don't necessarily believe that we should wait for inspiration to make music or get things done ever. But I do think that we should be doing things that make creative inspiration easier to achieve. But here's what I mean by that. When we do lock ourselves in the studio and just try to force creativity to happen, sometimes some really good things can come out of that. I do believe that doing things, being productive, whether that be musically or otherwise, can be inspiring to a lot of people. And I know it certainly is for me. But I think there are also times that you are stuck in the studio for a long time and you're just trying to force creativity, and it's just incredibly frustrating because you're not able to actually come up with anything that you feel like is worth sharing. And I think that a lot of that comes from a lack of inspiration that comes through stuff that is outside of the studio. The first one that comes to mind for me is family and friends. While I do have family and friends that are musicians, and they like to play music a lot, especially at church like I do, there's not a lot of people in my life who record and produce music. But no matter what their affiliation with music is, spending time with my family and friends really just does something for my creativity that almost nothing else can. Another one that comes to mind for me is hobbies. And you might say, Caleb, music is my hobby. And I would say, well, yeah, of course. But at the same time, if music is currently a point of frustration, or you're seeking inspiration for music, then I would probably look into some other hobbies that could help fuel that creativity. Something else that I would consider universally inspiring is going outdoors. Even if you're not much of an outdoors person, I just think there's something about getting fresh air and a change of scenery that's really inspiring. When you're inside of your studio, especially for a long time, things don't really change much. Whereas if you go outside, there's just things are not predictable. You never know what the sun is going to be doing to the trees. You never know what kind of animals are out. This sounds, I don't know. I don't have much of a green thumb, but I'm just saying, even if you wouldn't consider yourself an outdoors person, I think that you should spend some time outside for the sake of your own musical creativity. And the last one, at least the last one that I'm going to mention in this video, is learning. And maybe this is something musical. Maybe it's something to do with the instruments you play, or learning something new that you can do in your DAW. But maybe it's not musical. Maybe it's something to do with building things. Every once in a while I will craft boxes of different sorts or shelves with wood. I wouldn't consider myself a craftsman necessarily. I'm a musician first and foremost. But I think that like learning a new craft can just be like extremely fulfilling and creative and inspiring, which carries over to the music making process. Or maybe take a course on something, or learn how to operate a camera, learn how to tell stories in different ways. I just think there's a lot that could be done here. For the sake of this video, I had set out to go make a song outside of the confines of my home studio, but I actually left with something more than that. I didn't leave with a single track or really even anything to show for this endeavor at all. Instead, I'm leaving with a refreshing amount of inspirational creativity that will fuel many songs and many videos to come. So my challenge for you is get out of your studio. Maybe try to make something, but even if you just get out, get some fresh air, spend some time with loved ones, learn a new skill purely for the sake of growing and learning, instead of, a lot of times we have to learn for necessity, and it's not as fun or fulfilling that way at times. Above all, just have fun with it. I'd love it if you would leave a comment with what you're gonna do to fuel your creativity. And as always, thanks for hanging out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.